Hello. Today I am going to show you how to direct message and use Instagram on the computer as you would on a phone. Start by opening Chrome. I am going to open a new window. And in the search bar type in Instagram. And click the link that says Instagram.com. If you have not logged in, you will need to log in, but you will see that you can't DM or post anything. Just right-click on the side to get this menu and right at the bottom click Inspect. This will take you to the developer menu. Make sure that this little thing here is blue, and if it is not blue, click on it. From here, click on this drop-down menu and choose any type of phone you like. And then just reload the tab for the changes to take effect. And now you should see the direct message icon at the top right of the phone and the post icon at the bottom. This has been Dave for the manual. Thank you for watching.